Good afternoon. I'd like to call Ways and Means Committee meeting to order, please, for September 24th. Will you please stand for the pledge? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Roll call, please.
Mr. Stockin,
Present.
Mr. Fanton,
Here.
Mrs. Burdick. Here. Mr. Demick,
Here.
Mr. Havey,
Here.
Mr. Healy, Mr. Ricky,
Here.
Mrs. Root, here, and Mr. Harris. 7 present, 1 absent.
Thank you. Approval of the agenda, please.
Patton will move it. Demick will second.
Any questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed, and that's carried. The audit was distributed. Could we have a motion to
Root will
approve?
make the motion.
Ricky second.
Any questions, discussion? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed, and that's carried. Local law for the Wellsville Airport. This is not to do anything except give the board the privilege of deciding what to do about supporting the airport. Anybody wish to speak to this from the back? It's a routine thing we've done before. So,
I think it's.
Yeah.
I think it probably speaks for itself, like you said, just a routine local law that allows you the opportunity to fund, but does not directly provide funding.
correct.
Yeah, do we know if they have a special purpose for this money?
This is
Can
not,
some-
it's not a request for the money yet.
Oh, okay.
This is simply, we have to have a
Well, for
local law
local law,
that
all right.
allows us to respond to
Well-
a request when it's made.
We may need something when we get ready to vote on it.
Yeah. Is there a motion?
Root will make the motion for that, and I see the date is October 22nd at 2 o'clock.
For public hearing? Yeah.
Hayviel, second.
Is there further discussion? Just clarify that the public hearing on this local law will be October 22nd at 2 p.m. here in the legislative chambers. This is just a resolution to give the board the okay to spend money in this way if so desired. Any discussion? Further? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? And that's carried. Thank you. We have 2 lease agreements. The county administrator is coming to address these. They have to do with the transportation systems.
Good afternoon, and thank you. The first MOEs, they're very similar, but the first one has to do with 4 brand-new Ford vans that we have, 16-passenger vans. And this is allowing Transdev to operate these under a lease agreement with them. So it's a $1 lease where they operate our vehicles.
Have a motion?
Root will make the motion. Burdick will second.
Is there any questions, discussions? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? And that's carried. And the second one?
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, sir.
would the minutes now reflect that I am present and was present for that vote? Thank you.
Second one, please.
Okay, the second one, very similar to the first one. However, you'll notice that these are all used vehicles of various sizes. Some of these are quite large, 34-passenger ones. These are vehicles for the Olean Oats system that we have acquired, which we are then leasing back to Transdev under the same $1 agreement so they can operate them.
Have a motion?
Patton will move it. Demick will second.
Any question? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? And that's carried. Next is an authorization to apply for a Federal Transit Administration grant.
Okay, I'm just going to preface this one by saying Gwen Cooper's in the back, and really, she can answer questions much better than I can on this one. But this is for a 5310 grant. As you may remember, we already have a grant awarded where we are purchasing another vehicle. That this is not the fixed route. This allows us to work with seniors and those with disabilities to get them some of those transportation gaps. This would be expanding on that service, but we are noting we haven't started the service yet, so this will be adding to what we can initiate. We're still working on initiating the first one. So this would be allowing us to apply for the grant.
Is there a motion?
Vertical move.
Healy will second.
Are there questions?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Okay. On the local share, it says there's no county share, so who's paying the local share? Who's the local?
It's in kind. The local share is met by in-kind Office of Aging volunteer drivers.
And I think if we are awarded this grant, we can do a much better job of explaining that all to you, how it will work when it comes time to accept it and appropriate it.
And this is just authorization to apply,
Yes,
so you'll have to come back if we get it, right?
yes. And hopefully by that time, we can come back and tell you about the work that Arden's been leading on the other use of the 5310. We're working on one vehicle, working with OFA to kind of meet some of these transportation gap needs.
Thank you.
Other questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? And that's carried.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we have referrals from committees. Human Services, please.
Public Health Director Tyler Shaw is requesting permission to fill one full-time clinic secretary position and all subsequent backfills in the Department of Health. The annual salary of this position is estimated to be between $42,006 and $51,008 with annual benefits. This position is funded with 93% state and 7% federal and is included in the 2025 budget, and I will move that.
Ricky, second.
Discussion? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Carried.
Mr. Shaw is requesting permission to fill one full-time registered nurse position in the Department of Health. The annual salary for this position is estimated to be $67,006 with annual benefits, and this position is funded with 100% state funds and is included in the 2025 budget, and I will move that.
Healy will second.
Discussion? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Carried.
Mr. Shaw is requesting permission to fill one full-time WIC nutritionist position in the Department of Health. The annual salary of this position is estimated to be between $45,000 and $48,000 with benefits. This position is funded with 100% federal funds and is included in the 2025 budget, and I will move that.
Patton will second that.
Questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? And that's carried.
Commissioner of Social Services Don Horn is requesting a resolution to accept and appropriate a donation of funds that has been awarded to support the Child Advocacy Center, and they are from the First Presbyterian Church, Paul Brown Motors, and Thomas and Linda Young, for a total of $710, and I will move that.
Healy will second.
Are there any questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? And that's carried.
Mr. Horn is requesting permission to fill one full-time social welfare examiner position and all subsequent backfills in the Department of Social Services. The annual salary of this position is estimated to be between $40,000 and $48,000 with benefits. This position is funded with 38% county, 10% state, and 52% federal, and is included in the 2025 budget, and I will move that.
Root will second.
Are there questions? None. All in favor? Opposed? And that's carried.
Director of Community Mental Health Services, Dr. Robert Anderson, is requesting a resolution to accept and appropriate funds that have been increased by the State Office of Mental Health for the 2025 fiscal year. The budget adjustment for the 25 budget is requested as follows, and it is a total of $238,567, and I will move that.
Healy will second that.
Any questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? And that's carried.
Dr. Anderson is requesting a resolution to accept and appropriate funds that have been increased by the State Office of Mental Health for the 2025 fiscal year, and that is a total of $37,888 and is distributed to different agencies, and I will move that.
Patton will second that.
Discussion? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? And that's passed. Planning and Economic Development, please.
Employment and Training Director Rita Sobek Lynch is requesting a resolution to accept and appropriate a donation of funds that has been awarded to help a student pay for the NC LEX exam by the Allegheny County Area Foundation. It is in the amount of $200, and I will move that.
Habeas, second.
Any discussion? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Passed.
Mrs. Solbeck Lynch is requesting a resolution to accept and appropriate the increased TANF summer youth funding. Employment and Training Center budgeted $217,118 in 2025 and received $221,757 in summer youth funding. Was it an increase of $4,639? And I will approve that.
Demick will second that.
Questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? And that's carried. That's all the referrals I have today. Is there any unfinished business? Any new business? Good of the order, sir.
Mr. Chairman, thank you. I'd like to announce a legislators caucus this afternoon at 1:20 in the DPW conference room. Thank you.
Anything else for good of the order? Hearing none, motion to adjourn, please.
Patton will move it.